It was Friday, and right after work, we went straight ahead to Colona to meet our friends. Upon reaching the campsite, we immediately set up our tent. And what better way to enjoy the night is by having a few drinks before we call it a day. The next day, we decided to go fishing. It was a beautiful sunny day. We were pretty excited since it was our first time and had no idea. But somehow, we were held back by lack of specialized knowledge and experience on how to fish. Suppose you want to remember a moment, take lots of photos. And that's exactly what we did.
Yung set ng pangano nito para hindi mapatid. Dapat matibay yung... ito yung ano. Mga isda.
Buhay pa talaga sila.
Oo. Yung mga...
Kala ko mga patay
na. Yan ang ginano nila pa.
Anong tawag sa isda mo pa, Kuya Rito?
Shiner.
Shiner. Yan, paano nilalagay?
Bunganga. Sa bunganga. Labas dito sa may ano, doon. Kasi balik mo ulit para mag-ano siya. Para pag kinain, mahuhuli siya. Oo.
Technique pa lang talaga.
Yung... Tapos pag ano, apat ito, hawakan mo ito. Para pag-release. Tapos ibalik mo ulit. Para kagat na.
Okay.
Magkagat.
Kakatake niya, mararamdaman mo.
Bukol yung gagalaw-galaw naman. Pero kasi ang gawa ko nga, cast and release na tayo. Kaya, cleaning team, pinaparami.
Nagalaw pa siya. Fishing requires patience. And I don't care how big my first fish is, I told myself. I just need to catch something, anything. On the water is not always luck. We didn't catch any fish that day, but got some really great pictures. We went for a walk along the wooded trail to the RV campground to get some fresh air and explore the area. When we spend time near a lot of trees, we take in more oxygen. That feeling of happiness that we get when we take our first breath of air at the campground isn't all in our head. Well, actually it is, but it's a release of serotonin from the extra oxygen. Our body can function with less strain when there's plenty of oxygen. Oh, there's a pool. Wish I was able to bring my swimwear.
Inggitin ko naman sila. Ingit na nila. Meron ko na ito. Tama na Sabi ko eh. Sila. Basta ba? Yung garlic na kuhan, butasan nyo ko, ipasok lalagay doon.
Pwede pa ba ihabol yung Sprite dito, Kuya Rick?
Hindi, mamaya pagkatapos, pagkaluto.
Ah, okay. Kala ko, ano, minamarinate. Binubuhos?
Gatang dala si Ate Baby. Yan. And then there's steak. What you want? Huh? And then there's the soup.
Hindi, adobo steak. Ito.
Hanggang ano? Hanggang bukas na.
Ito.
Ay, ito beef steak.
May makita oh.
Except it's gonna be hot since I don't want the butter.
After it gets toasted, you put it in between the chocolate, and then you put the chocolate.
This is how I put it.
Masyado mo naman sinusunod.
Oo nga, sunod naman siya.
Okay. I'm gonna make my fire.
S'mores is a fun activity that will take us back to our childhood.
That's, may extra stick ka pa. Wow.
Just make sure you bring enough chocolates and crackers because everyone will be asking for more of these s'mores.
Babe, you want one? Babe, you want one? Okay, bring me graham crackers of course.
And then I'm like, why are you making it?
I know, right? It's huge.
You're the expert, huh? Of s'mores.
Oh, I think I burnt it.
Whoa, that's a good one, babe. I know.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, it is.
One away from me. My marshmallow's about to fall. I want to make more fire except I can't because my tears get watery when I see the fire.
Masang sige na lalagyan ng
Oh, juicy!
juice niya.
Oh,
Hindi dry.
Tsaka yung amoy niya. Bango.
Kaya. Tinder
Bigyan mo ng konting water. Kuha. After a day full of outdoor activities, we had a good night's sleep.
Basta lang yan ha.
Yan, ano na yan?
Brunch pala.
Brunch na yan.
Brunch na. Go! Ano ba yan?
Sino ka ulit batuhan niya? Ito, naging pake na rin ito. Ito, madali dahil... Uy! Oh! Yeah!
Thank you, Annie.
Yung gamit na
For the Americans. Filipino. So, itinapak.
Everybody's enjoying their food and conversation. When you go camping, don't forget to turn off your cell phone. Leave the tablet and the laptop computer at home. Try to disconnect for a few days and enjoy the simplicity of the natural experience.
Kalain.
Oo, ibang travel.
Iba.
Siyempre, para lahat ng travel natin yun ang suot mo.
Dapat pala.
Paborito pala niya.
Para hindi sa pinta.
Meron ba mo minsan tumitingin na ino-observe yun
Oo,
eh, diba?
yung mga tao, may mga in-observer eh.
Yung ano yung suot, ano yung baka. Tinitingnan talaga lahat.
Oh, yun po. Pagka
Overall, the camping trip was spectacular. Gorgeous weather, fantastic food, and loads of fun with friends. An experience we will never forget.
kaya pa ba ilagay yan?
Kuya, hindi mo nakita yung likod.
Na? May camera ko sa tignan mo.
Is it ready?
Sponsor. Yun lang yun.
What's a better way to band as a family than being out in the middle of the woods?